This is a photograph that's taken of the moon during a lunar eclipse. What is a lunar eclipse? We talked about a solar eclipse. That's where the moon gets in front of the sun. And so you're actually in the shadow of the moon on Earth. That's a solar eclipse. But what is a lunar eclipse?
Earth gets between the sun and the moon.
That's when the Earth gets between the sun and the moon and you're actually looking at the shadow of the Earth on the moon. So when the Earth's shadow goes in front of the moon, that's a lunar eclipse. And so that's what you're looking at here is a photograph of the moon during a lunar eclipse. This is a full lunar eclipse. And that's the shadow of the Earth, which is blocking it out. And what color is the moon? So you should be able to tell me why the moon is red during a lunar eclipse. It's the same thing that makes the sky orange and red at sunrise and sunset. Because if the Earth is between the sun and the moon, that means the sunlight is shining around the edges of the Earth, right? And if it's shining around the edges of the Earth to get to the moon, it's absorbing all the cold colors and the warm colors dominate. So when that light hits the moon, it's saturated in warm colors and makes it appear orange, a blood moon as they call it. A bit of light that's escaping around the edge of the Earth that caused this dark part of the moon to light up. That light that's passed around the edge of the Earth, what does it pass through? Dust. So the light that's headed toward the moon is orange light, right? Hits the moon's surface and bounces back toward our eyes. So why do you have a blood moon? It's from the sunlight shining from the sun, past the Earth, through the dust, hits the moon and shines back. So it's like the sunset and sunrise has been painted on the moon in a lunar eclipse.